Hello, my peoples. Roland Smith, Every Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance, of course. First of all, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell to be notified of uploads of my live streaming. And if you like this kind of video, hey, give it a thumbs up. But yesterday I posted a picture of a snare that I had set. And I asked the members to try to spot the snare. I think one person actually found it. Well, today we're going to see the results of that snare. Stick around and stay with me. I hope you'll enjoy. Strike one, leading right over to my set where I caught the rabbit the other day. Put it back in the hole. It is what it is. I didn't fire the trap though. I just dug around and was able to get to the rabbit. But I tightened everything up, freshened everything up, done dirt hole, dog food, and a little bit of beaver tail oil. Waiting game. Nothing up here today. Nothing disturbed. A lot of traffic. Today's the last day of gun season, so stay with me. Let's head down the other way. Seeing as how they didn't throw the trap, they'll be back. Makes me all more determined to get it. Oh, I love it. It'd been nice to have a big coyote there struggling out, Bob. Anything from here on out's a bonus. I've had an awesome season. So we'll keep everything fresh, keep everything rolling, keep everything moving. These fresh scat all right here. I need to double up right here. I got two out here and I need to put one right out behind me. But I love it. That excites me, I swear it does. People say, well, don't you want to catch? Yeah, I want to catch. But it's easy, everybody do it. Stay with me, let's head down to the property. May have some big coyote snared. Maybe. Remember yesterday I asked you where the snare was? Stay with me just a minute. Stay with me. He's not choked out. Right around the waist, he got his front legs to it. And I dropped it down 8 inches. Yeah, he pooped all over the place. God almighty, these things. But anyway, Snare Coyote number 2. Right around the waist too, man. That sucks. He's tore all pieces. But I could see where he was coming through here on this trail. So, but yeah, he got his front legs through it, but that's about it. He's chewed up the world, son. That's coyote. Snare number 2, 3 off his property. So, get this fella taken care of. I just said that yesterday. Bingo. I'm learning. I'm a slow learner, but I'm a learning. Yeah, he's messed all over the place. I would too if I was him. Another awesome day on the line. I gotta get me some more snares out. They wearing this hillside out back behind me. In this area. They've got it wore out. But he's not hurting or nothing. He's locked up. He ain't going nowhere. He's good looking coyote. But down through here, and right out through there, you can see the trail right there. Stay with me. Like I said, if you watch the video, I dropped it down about 8 inches, but he got his front legs through it. Maybe he struggled and got through it, I don't know. But about 8 inches what I added. Every bit of that's going to be full of snares because they're wearing it out. I've got a duck under over there, so he's tore us all to pieces. I'm excited. That's 3 coyotes off his property right here. Two have been snared, so I hope that boy ain't up here deer hunting. If he is, he's out of luck. Get him to the vehicle and go down and check him what it says. Stay with me. All I'm using to attach my snares is 16 gauge fencing wire. That one there was my snare hold. Double it up, wrap it around tight. They're not gonna pull that in two. So stay with me. Something has tore up the world out here, bud. You don't want to, but in the bottom hide on you. Snare's good. Look at this. Tore up the world, so maybe bear, I don't know. Let's get out of here. I'm gonna set me a few snares down in here. Something knocked that one snare down. Maybe a deer, maybe anything. Coyotes run this too. I'm gonna put my camera up out here. See exactly what he's running, where it's run from and to. Kind of helps me. See that cattle way out there and them chickens out there, them yard birds are running around out there. See that in the back of the side by side? That's why it excites me. I get excited at every catch. Act like a kid, Christmas. But this is the first year I've ever had a snare in my hands. And I'm trying to figure it out, trying to learn. Learning process for me for sure, but man, what a day. That makes 3 coyotes for the year. Been a good season. If I don't catch anything else, I'm well satisfied. But look at this country behind me back here, boys. Nevertheless, I appreciate everything that you do for me, for my channel, and especially for my family. Your support and encouragement. As always, go farther, stay longer. I'll catch you out here. We got snow coming. About to get real. Stick around and stay with me. Thanks for watching.